Hello everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes IELTS Speaking. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss. Describe a time when you were late. This topic has been divided into 4 insightful paragraphs. Let's jump right in and explore each paragraph to gain deeper understanding. One incident that comes to my mind when I think about being late was during an important job interview I had last year. I had meticulously planned my schedule and aimed to arrive at least 15 minutes earlier to make a good impression. However, due to unforeseen circumstances, I encountered an unexpected delay that resulted in my tardiness. It was an unfortunate situation that taught me the importance of being prepared for unforeseen events. On that particular day, I woke up early, ensuring that I had enough time to get ready, review my resume, and practice my interview responses. Feeling confident, I left my house with plenty of time to spare. However, as luck would have it, there was an unexpected traffic jam on the way to the interview location. The normally smooth journey turned into a slow crawl, causing a significant delay in my arrival. As the minutes ticked by, I could feel the anxiety building up. I knew I had to inform the interviewer about my situation, so I quickly grabbed my phone and dialed their number. I explained the situation and apologized sincerely for the delay, hoping they would understand. Thankfully, the interviewer was considerate and reassured me that they would accommodate the delay. Eventually, I arrived at the interview venue feeling frustrated and stressed. Despite the setback, I composed myself as best as I could, entered the interview room, and gave it my all. While I managed to salvage the interview, I couldn't help but feel disappointed in myself for not being punctual. This experience taught me the importance of allowing extra time for unexpected circumstances and reinforced the value of promptness and planning.